California DMV REG-262 is the vehicle or vessel transfer and reassignment form used in private party sales to document the transfer of ownership, disclose the odometer reading, and reassign a title from seller to buyer. State law requires an odometer disclosure on vehicles that are under 10 years old and under 16,000 pounds. Both the seller and buyer complete portions of this form at the time of sale. Enter the vehicle's VIN, model year, and make. The VIN is on the driver's side dashboard or door jamb sticker. The model year and make appear on the title. Fill in the current license plate number if one is issued to the vehicle. In the seller section, enter the seller's full legal name and the current odometer reading at the time of sale. Check the appropriate odometer disclosure box. Actual mileage if the reading is accurate, exceeds mechanical limits if the odometer has rolled over, or not actual if the odometer is broken or reading is inaccurate. Enter the buyer's full legal name and mailing address. The seller signs and dates the transfer section, and the buyer signs to confirm receipt. The completed form is submitted to the DMV, along with the endorsed title to transfer the registration. The seller keeps a copy of this form as proof of sale. The REG-262 is typically submitted together with the vehicle's title at any DMV office or by mail. Fill yours out free at FormsPal.com. This is general information, not official DMV guidance.